that I love them and do right in the community. But Mom, I'm not gonna run. Come and get me. My body is gonna be up under the VIP stage. And then the phone hung up. I remember somebody coming and saying, who's hurt? Climb out. I didn't move. I just laid there and I played dead. Because I didn't know who it was. I thought it was a shooter. Seemed like more shots came. And at this time, I knew I was gone. I just started praying and I turned over and put my cap over my face and I said, I did good in my community. I'm ready. If this is how I have to go, it's what I do for a living. As a director of a casino, I do concerts. So this is what my dream job was. That's how I would be remembered, is doing concerts. Then I remember a big light coming. Said, is there anybody here up underneath here left? I said, I'm here, but I'm hurt. I can't move. The officer said, you're gonna have to scoot to me. I'm trying to scoot. I have no feeling in my arm, no feeling in my leg, and I'm crawling out. And when I look out, those same barricades that I once couldn't take apart had bodies on them. I'm seeing stuff everywhere. He said, ma'am, you have to run. I said, sir, I'm not going to make it across that field. And I'm holding on to the rails. He's telling me to let go. I said, where am I running to? There was no direction. He said, just run. I said, run where? Just run that way. That way where? I have shorts on, I have tennis shoes on. You've got all this military stuff. Run where? Ma'am, you gotta get across that field, which I know is gate 4, because I was shuttle bused in. As I'm running, I'm falling, I'm tripping over people.
Is that when you got hurt?
Mm-hmm. And I remember coming out of the gate, but all the officer guns were drawn. So I felt like the shooter had to be behind me because your guns are still drawn. Don't turn around, Shey. Just get up and run. Keep running. They were telling everybody to run to the left. I ran to the right. And I said, I'm going to die if I go to the left. And I ran to the right. I fell off the curb. Got back up. I started running.
Was anybody there to help you?
No. People were hiding behind the cars. Officers was hiding. I'm sorry. Officers was hiding behind the cars with guns drawn. So I knew we're still not safe because your guns are drawn and you're hiding.
Help had arrived and you made it.
Yes.
Thankfully. And you obviously remember that night. You're still suffering physically, aren't you?
Yes. I'm having surgery tomorrow. My complete rotator cuff